Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first go to insert and shapes and insert this rounded cornered rectangle like this. Adjust it like this. Now you have to decrease its radius and you have to copy and paste it several times and place them side by side like this. Keep placing them side by side like this. There you go. Now you have to go to shape format and picture and texture fill and then go to insert and insert any picture that you want to insert. I'm using these buildings. Now select all of these shapes and move them to the left side. Now make one of them different. Like you are going to decrease some of them and increase some of their sizes. And like this, randomly you have to make a unique pattern. Now select all of them and add a picture. Now add the shape of rectangle and change its color to white and remove its outline. Change its color to black. Give it a gradient. Change colors to your preference. I'm using this blue and silver combo. Let's decrease its transparency a little bit. I'm gonna use this silver color. Select all of these shapes and there you go. I'm gonna give them animation like this. Let's see if this animation looks better or not. I'm gonna change the timings. You can use more transition or any transition you want. That's it. I've given all the animations. Now add this rounded corner rectangle, give it preset and add a text box on it. And now you have to add text in it. There you go. I have added the text in it and I'm gonna increase its size, bold it, change its color to white. I'm gonna make it a little bit loose and decrease its size. So I have given all the animations and I have also added text. This is the final result. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel.